How does atmospheric pressure predict local weather? Have you ever wondered how the weight of the air around us can tell us what the weather will be like? Atmospheric pressure, also known as barometric pressure, is the key player in this fascinating process. It is simply the weight of the air above a specific point on Earth's surface. Changes in this pressure can reveal a lot about upcoming weather conditions. When atmospheric pressure is high, it usually means that the air is sinking. This sinking air warms up and dries out, which leads to clear and sunny skies. So, if you notice a high pressure reading, you can expect calm and pleasant weather. On the other hand, low atmospheric pressure indicates that air is rising. As this air ascends, it cools and condenses, forming clouds and often leading to rain or storms. So, a drop in pressure can signal that wet weather is on the way. Monitoring how atmospheric pressure changes over time can help us predict the weather for the next 12 to 48 hours. For instance, if you see a trend of rising pressure, it typically means that the weather will improve, and you might enjoy some sunshine. Conversely, if the pressure is falling, it suggests that clouds and rain are likely to follow. If the pressure remains steady, expect the weather to stay about the same, perhaps partly cloudy or partly sunny. To measure atmospheric pressure, we use an instrument called a barometer. A barometer often contains a flexible, hollow box that changes shape as pressure varies. This movement moves a needle to show the current pressure level. By watching how this needle shifts over time, we can make educated guesses about future weather changes. Pressure differences between regions also create wind. Air moves from areas of high pressure to low pressure. The greater the difference in pressure, the stronger the wind will be. Sudden changes in pressure can lead to increased wind speeds and more dynamic weather patterns. Many home weather stations use barometric pressure readings to provide short-term forecasts. While these forecasts based solely on pressure changes can be helpful, they are usually about 70% accurate. They work best when combined with other data, like temperature, humidity, and wind patterns, to create a fuller picture of what to expect. Understanding atmospheric pressure can help explain the daily changes in weather. For example, if you notice the barometer dropping, it is a good idea to prepare for clouds or rain soon. A rising barometer, on the other hand, suggests that sunshine is likely ahead. This knowledge connects us to the natural rhythms of our atmosphere and satisfies our curiosity about the weather we experience every day.